coming back to today's developments, I understand the rules bar members from displaying placards in the House. But this is not something new which has happened. People have taken resort to this. So why is it that you have taken such a strong action against them now?
Today?
Yeah.
Today's action? Yeah. Yes. Actually, you know, from the beginning, if you are watching from the first day, जैसे मैंने कहा कि I am trying that be positive, all of you. And that also I am giving the message to members. That's why I am doing that meetings and all these things always. You know, I tried in Parliament also. कि yes, members should get chance, new members also. तो I started 377 टेबल नहीं होना, आपको बोलने का चांस मैं देती हूँ. 0 I tried, yes थोड़ा ज़्यादा करूँगी, 0 का चांस आपको मिले. Whatever it is, I tried कि हर मेंबर को सप्लीमेंट्री क्वेश्चन आवर, मैंने कहा नो क्वेश्चन आवर मस्ट बी देयर, उसको मैं नहीं होने दूंगी डिस्टर्ब, सो दैट पीपल कैन आस्क क्वेश्चन. और मैंने सप्लीमेंट्री मैंने अलाउ की. एंड आई ट्राइड ऑलवेज कि सबको मैं चांस दे दूँ, नॉट दिस पार्टी और दैट पार्टी. यू विल फाइंड आई हैव उस पर मेरे पास आंकड़े हैं कि सभी पार्टियों के मेंबर्स के ऐड रहे. और ऑलवेज आई यूज्ड टू से दैट दिस इज द फोरम वेयर you have to discuss, you have to debate, you may disagree, but still you have to decide something, not to disrupt. That is my motto. And you will find when all these things have started, first year बहुत अच्छा गया, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम हुआ, you know it better. अभी जब disruption हुआ तो I always said कि don't see these placards. Sometimes I don't like. Why you are coming to the well? There are so many ways. You have to show your opposition. You have to. आपको विरोध करना है. There are so many ways. There are so many rules. Under that rules you try. Or if you want to give slogan also, from your desk only you do that. But don't come to the well. Don't show the placards. At least this we can avoid. Somewhere we must. और इसलिए मैंने एक मीटिंग भी बुलाई थी सबकी, केवल इसीलिए. मैंने कहा बाकी मेरा एजेंडा नहीं है, तुम आपस में पक्ष विपक्ष व्हाट यू विल डू, व्हाट यू विल डिसाइड, आई एम नॉट डिसाइडिंग दैट, बट ओनली आई वांट टू. यस, पहले के लोगों ने किया, मगर पहले किया इसलिए आप करोगे और इसलिए आपका पोता भी वही करे. अपने भी हाँ घर में कई बार होता है, हम भी समझाते हैं भैया उसने किया इसलिए तुमने करना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं. मे बी बोथ ऑफ यू आर डूइंग. सो एवरीबडी शुड थिंक अबाउट इट एंड why not start something good to someday. और इसलिए मैंने सबको बुलाया था. उसके बाद भी आप जब देखोगे for last 8 days and now what they have done to shadow the speaker, that was the height, to shadow the speaker, to shadow the minister. उनके सामने बड़े बड़े प्ले कार्ड ले आना, वो दिखे नहीं, all these things, स्लोगन्स के साथ ये भी करना, ये हाइट हो गई. 8 दिन तक मैं बता रही हूँ. आई ट्राइड, मैं उनके नेताओं को समझा रही हूँ कि प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट. येस, यू मस्ट हैव सम डिमांड. आई एम नॉट सेइंग वो जो करना है आप आपस में बैठ के करो, मगर आप डिस्कशन करो, आप डिस्कशन मांगो. आई विल गिव यू, आई विल आस्क दिस शासन पक्ष दैट यू मस्ट हैव डिस्कशन, आई विल डू दैट. लेकिन फिर थोड़ी सी मुझे लगा हाइट हो गई. And as you know, I think day before yesterday or something, 2-3 days back, when they were doing that and that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, he stood up and tried to come on the table or something. And that time I saw the whole gallery was full by children. Maybe from 8, 9, 10 or college students, whatever it. But really I am telling you, it was full of children. और फिर मैंने सोचा what we are doing, what is this, what message we are giving to them. It should not, at least I must think about it. और वो मैंने मीटिंग बुलाई. But after that meeting also you will see they were not ready. ठीक है, आपका अपना एक कहना हुआ, आप कहो, मैं उसके बारे में नहीं, but at least इसको तो नहीं होना चाहिए. And that's why आज भी from morning I started कि don't do this. I started naming with names. I said don't do that. At least you put down your placard. That was my request. At least you see the records. At least put down your placard. But still, and not only that, they again started coming on me. Me means chair. And I think that is not the good practice. And that's why I have to, yes, I know that I have taken a very stringent action, but I have to, can't help it.
But then some parties have declared that they are going to boycott the Lok Sabha proceedings for the remaining days of the week, only because of this. The Trinamool Congress is one of them. So do you think, considering its fallout, there is a scope for you to think afresh, to take a milder view and revoke their suspension?
For me?
Yes.
What?
That after having taken the action, there have been precedents in the past. Mr. Somnath Chatterjee also did it. First suspended people, then he agreed to reconsider. So any scope for reconsideration?
Let us see what happens. Today I have taken the action.